Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 3. Are you ready to explore effective literature review strategies? This presentation covers the intricate connection between literature review and research objectives. Discover how to build an integrated conceptual framework. Understanding how to construct a literature review is crucial. It links directly to your research objectives. Developing critical review skills is essential. You will learn to combine abstract concepts. This forms an integrated conceptual framework. The literature review should relate to the issue under investigation. Ensure the literature is current and relevant. The conceptual framework should have a strong, logical basis. Critically reviewing literature is key. Correct referencing is mandatory. Your project aims to solve real issues in a live context. Avoid insularity by exploring new theoretical areas. Include relevant theories, even from outside management. Develop critical and conceptual faculties. This widens your research scope. Theory can simplify complex issues. It offers explanations for outcomes. It identifies causation. It justifies actions or positions. Use literature to support these aspects. Explore theoretical, contextual, and technical literature. Use all three when helpful. Practitioner publications are also valuable. Refereed journal articles are crucial. Avoid introductory textbooks at this level. Balance wide literature with narrow research objectives. Utilize interlibrary loans and reservation systems. Time management is crucial. Understand the literature deeply. Integrate literature search with analytical framework. Ensure the literature's veracity and currency. Question what the literature tells you. Identify the author and the age of the source. Align it with your research objectives. This critical reflex enhances your review. Concepts are abstractions from reality. For example, resource can mean a person or a machine. It could also mean money or time. These abstractions aid in analyzing organizational elements. They form the basis of your analysis. Concepts are building blocks at master's level. Some, like quality, are measurable. Others, such as leadership, are less so. They are crucial for developing your framework. Use them to support your analysis. The literature review constructs your analytical framework. It must not be limited to its sources. Supporting references should explain the framework. It can be a list of analytical headings. Links between headings should be clear. A conceptual model visually connects variables. It uses geometric shapes and arrows. Relationships should be accurate. Avoid implied monocausality or unidirectional links. Ensure the model reflects your research accurately. Conceptual ability is key at master's level. It provides a lens for analysis. This focuses on research objectives. It structures Chapter 4. This chapter presents and evaluates empirical data. Read relevant literature and study existing models. Ensure they align with your objectives. Discard irrelevant models. Amalgamate relevant ones. This forms an integrated analysis framework. Your objectives might need models from one literature area, or they may require models from different areas. This could include risk management and organizational culture. Use models to meet your objectives. This ensures a comprehensive framework. Objectives guide the literature review. Beware of too many objectives. Ill-defined objectives widen the scope excessively. This leads to a cumbersome review. Keep objectives focused and clear. A massive review can seem impressive. However, it complicates Chapter 4. It requires extensive data collection and analysis. Keep the review concise and relevant. This ensures utility in structuring Chapter 4. Finding models can be challenging. Objectives and context are unique. An off-the-shelf review is rare. Assemble the review from existing models. Sometimes, develop your own models. Consider the work of Christian Horn and Alexander Brem. Their framework on innovation management is insightful. It demonstrates strategic directions. Use it as a guide. This aids in developing your framework. UK Versity Online offers valuable resources. They incorporate third-party materials, respect their trademarks and rights. Use these resources within license terms. They enrich your literature review process. Reviewing the literature and conceptualization is a critical stage in research for strategic development. It involves examining existing theories, models, and previous studies to identify key themes, gaps, and relevant frameworks related to the research topic. This process helps to build a strong theoretical foundation and ensures that the research is informed by credible and current knowledge. Conceptualization then allows the researcher to define key concepts clearly and develop a conceptual framework that guides the study. Together, literature review and conceptualization strengthen the validity, direction, and strategic relevance of the research. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361 688.